Hello, everybody. Welcome to Foundations Time. It's so great to see you, and I'm very excited. Today we have a word of the day and some new trick words, and then we'll get to use our dry erase boards at the end. It's going to be a good one. Let's start with our warm up. Repeat after me. TH, thumb, WH, whistle, w. CK, sock, SH, ship, sh. CH, chin, ch. ALL, ball, all. What color is this card? Green. What do we call this one? A glued sound. What do we call these ones with two letters and one sound? Digraphs. Excellent. Let's practice some over here. Wow, let me reach. A apple a. E ed e. G g. I h I. K k. N n. O octopus ah. Q u qua. U up Y y. That Y just went flying off the board. Okay, now the last part of the warm up today is that you need to get your student notebook and some crayons or something to color with. And we are going to find in the beginning part where the sounds are. You have all your consonants that you did this year and colored. You did your digraphs. And now you get to find the glued sounds. Here it is, the picture of the basketball. I want you to color that basketball in, and as you're coloring it, you should be saying ALL, ball, all. I'm going to do mine orange. ALL, ball, all. ALL, ball, all. ALL, ball, all. I did mine in orange. And now you know that that's there to help you remember if you ever need to look in the notebook. Okay, pause until you have that colored. And then we're going to do our word of the day. Okay, watch as I build this word and say the sounds as I put them here. All right, let's tap out our word. Ch-i-ol, chill. What do you see in this word? What kinds of things? Yeah, there's a digraph, two letters, one sound, one card. What else do you see? A vowel, good, a short I. And two L's, what do we call it? Why are there two L's? It's a bonus L, very good. We know that if a word ends in what three letters? F, L, or S, at the end of a word, right after that vowel, we have to double it. But it's still just one sound. Watch how I write this word on my whiteboard and mark it up. Chill. Here it is. I'm going to underline the digraph and put that little star over the L, the bonus L. What does chill mean? Ooh, you got a chill. You're a little bit cold. You have a chill. Okay. Oh, like it's chilly. If we put a Y on the end, chilly. What about if you just want to chill? I just want to chill. Kind of just like relax, hang out. Or you might say a person is chill. She's low key, easygoing. Okay. So who thinks they can give me a sentence with the word chill? All right, I'm going to go with the sentence, I want to chill. So I'll start with my uppercase letter I. I'll give it a good space. Want give it a space, two, and then I'll put our new word of the day, chill, and I'll put the period at the end. I want to chill. Now let's scoop it. I want to chill. So this is going to be entered into your student notebook in the vocabulary section. Let me show you what that looks like. You find the vocabulary and you find the letter C. And when you find the letter C, you put the word and then the sentence. Remember, we did this one a few weeks ago. You put the word first and mark it, and then you put the sentence down here. So here is our word of the day for you to copy into vocabulary. Chill. I want to chill. Pause the screen right here until you finish copying it down. Okay, if you're back, let's read it together. Scoop your sentence and read it. I want to chill. Very nice. You can go ahead and put your notebook away. We will not be needing it again today. Actually, that's not true. We have a trick word coming. You're going to need to put your new words in your notebook. So just put it to the side and get ready for the new trick words. Do. Come on over to our trick word spot. Okay. So check it out. Here's some of our trick words we learned before. I, they, noisy th, bite that tongue, makes it vibrate, they. Okay, so here's our sentence. Meg was the first one to fall. Let's count the words. Meg was the first one to fall. 7 words. Wow, let me put up all of these frames. Capital M, Meg was the first one to fall. Meg was the first one to fall. And I'm going to put a big period at the end of that. Okay, let me bring you a little bit closer so you can see it better. Watch this. I'm going to circle this word right here. Watch as I read and tell me if you know what that word is. Meg was the first one to fall. What word did I circle? Yeah, that word says was. W-A-S says was. Let's talk about was. What makes this a trick word? The W does say w, but if we tapped this word out, it would say w-ass, was. It's not was, it's sounds like a U, z, sounds like a Z. So this word has 2 tricky parts, but we can still use the W to help us look it up. We know it starts with a W. It's good when the first letter sounds the way it should, because then we can look it up in our trick word notebook. Okay, I am going to circle another word now. Let me read the sentence and see if you can tell me this word. Meg was the first one to fall. This word is one, O-N-E, and it means the number 1, right? 1. Sounds like it starts with a W like was, but it doesn't. It starts with an O. 1 and the N, but we don't hear the E. Okay, so those are our 2 tricky trick words. Please stand up with me and get ready to skywrite. We'll start by writing was. 2 fingers. Here we go. W-A-S. Was. Take your finger and close your eyes. Picture it as you write it on your table. W-A-S. Was. Okay, let's write one now. O-N-E. One. Take your finger. O-N-E. One. Okay, you know what's next. We add it to our notebooks. So go ahead and get that notebook back out. I know you didn't put it too far away since we were just using it. And you need to find the trick words. They're towards the back. And let's find the W first so that we can add the word was. W-A-S. Was. Looks just like that. Pause here until you finish was. Okay, now you need to find the O because one, the number one, starts with O, even though it sounds like W. Super tricky. One. So when you find your O, you'll go ahead and add one. There it is, O-N-E. Okay, pause until you have that in. Okay, excellent. Now we can practice a little bit on your whiteboards. So please put your notebook away and get out your whiteboard and marker. And let's start by doing those trick words. Repeat after me. Was. Right, was. Check it with mine. Okay, let's write that other trick word. Write one. Like the number. One. And check it with mine. If those are really tricky for you, pause here and practice them a few more times. Write was as many times as you can fit. Write one as many times as you can fit. Okay, and then erase and come back when you're ready to do a few words. All right, repeat after me. Will. Tap it out. W, I, ul. Spell it in your mind's eye. W, W, I, ul. Okay, write it and then mark it up. Star the bonus letter. Check it with mine. Good job. Don't erase it. Let's come down to the next row and try this word. Call. Let's tap it. All. I hear a glued sound in it. Do call. Star the bonus letter, box in the glued sound, and check it with mine when you finish. Okay, let's do one more word. Math. Tap it out. A. Write it. Underline the digraph and check it with mine. Okay, let's read the words. Will, call, math. Okay, let's erase and do one sentence. Okay. Let me pick the best sentence. All right, here's a good one. The pill was for the dog. Let's count it. The pill was for the dog. 6 words. The is a trick word. Pill you can tap out. Was is our new trick word. The pill was for, that's a trick word. That's a trick word. And dog you can tap out. So there's only 2 words you can tap out. When you pause this, really make sure your trick words are right. Look in your notebook and then tap out these 2 words. The pill was for the dog. Pause and get it done. Okay, if you're back, I want you to point to each word and check that you have them. The pill was for the dog. Check that you started with an uppercase and ended with a period. And next, I'm going to put up the trick words that you should have looked up. Pause right here and make sure they're all right. Fix them if you need to. Now tap out these 2 words and make sure they say pill with 2 L's and dog. Okay, pause to fix up anything that you need to. And let's end by reading it. The pill was for the dog. The pill was for the dog. I hope the dog's